Welcome back to Learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP strings and variables section. This is variables. Let's say I have a really long string in my program and I'm going to need to use it multiple times. Do I have to type the string out every time I need to use it? The answer is no. Variables are a fundamental programming concept designed to address this concern. With variables, we store values so that we can easily reuse them throughout our program. Before we can use variables in our code, we need to declare and assign them. Declaring a variable is the process of reserving a word, the variable name, which we'll be able to refer to in our code. It's good practice to name the variable in a way that describes the data it holds. Assignment is the process of associating that variable name with a specific value so that every time we use the variable's name, the computer will grab that value. Animal would be the variable. It contains cow. So what we're learning here is variables. Variable would be the name, like animal, greeting, color, and we could assign that variable a value, such as zebra for animal, red for color, and hello world for a greeting, or banana as fruit. Understanding that a variable holds a value that we could refer to later would be the main point of this lesson. If you get that, I'll see you in the next one.